Going raw vegan. 80% raw vegan and 100% raw vegan. Welcome to the adventurous route for the bold and healthiest way of going vegan. Lots of fresh whole foods. The difference between the 80% and the 100% is 18 cooked meals, which is about 20% of the diet. Every meal is a bit more than 1%. In the 80%, we make sure to make the cooking part easy for you, focusing on end of weeks and weekends when you have time to make enough food for the weekend and the week. There is one exception, which is the first Monday, so you have food to get you started. Of the three options, the raw route, 80% or 100, is the one that offers the best mastery of recipes. The 100% will have learned almost all the recipes in the first 2 weeks with plenty of time to practice and repeat. The 80% will be playing catch up on raw recipes, but still get most of the recipes done by week 3 and have time to practice as well. Check the recipe the day before. If it's a new recipe, always check it the night before. Some recipes have an overnight or 4-hour waiting time. These are coconut chicken noodles, chai, hot chocolate, ice cream, super sun-dried tomato salad, and Greek salad with cashew cheese. For some of them, it's just coconut milk, so you can buy that instead of making it. On week 1, we get you started with lots of new recipes, which you will have time to practice and perfect during this month. There's fresh smoothies and salads, creamy pad thai, raw vegan mac and cheese, cream of celery soup, warm raw Thai curry soup, pesto noodles, Greek salad, watch out for that one, you'll make the cheese the night before, raw vegan fettuccine alfredo, snacks like marzipan and dips like guacamole, cashew labneh, banana mango dip, and a nice hot chocolate. If you're doing 80%, the cooked recipes are a bit different, but don't worry. You won't miss out on delicious raw recipes. You'll get them later in another week. You'll just get a little less practice. Your cooked recipes this week are easy baked potatoes, easy vegetable soup, and stir-fried Chinese rice. On week 2, you'll get some practice on recipes you've learned and some new ones too. Coconut chicken noodles, creamy pad thai, glamorous guacamole noodles. New on the snack menu are avocado and olives dip and avocado cucumber dip, and the delicious chocolate truffles and also raspberry sweet sauce and chai. On the 80% menu, you've got spaghetti and sweet potato curry. Week 3 and weeks 4 and 5. We've reached half of the program. The fully raw menu will be getting more practice with one new recipe that you've been waiting for, raw vegan ice cream. The 80% will get some time to catch up on the raw vegan delights that got postponed until now, get some more practice on vegan recipes, and also learn to make pasanda.